Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. My name is Yev and today I have something new, unique. I never reviewed such keyboard on my channel. From one side, this is a standard 75% mechanical keyboard, but from other side, I will show you one super interesting nuance. Let's go! Okay, so today we have a Royal KLUDGE L75 mechanical keyboard, and you will ask what is so unique and important in this keyboard, right? And this is because of the left side of the keyboard, and most probably the main idea of this model is to work as a left-handed or with additional functions on the left side. Just check this out. Mechanical knob. Usually in all other cases, 99% of the cases, this knob should be on the right side, but in this case it's on the left side. And you have M1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 additional buttons with the functions, shortcuts or macros. So it's all about a little bit more heavier left side for the functions, because otherwise without this side you have a standard 75% layout with arrow keys, with page up and page down, with F rows, with this nice shield on the right side and indication of caps lock, charging and etc. Right? On the back side you have 2.4 wireless dongle in on spot, which means you can switch from wireless connection to Bluetooth connection, and you have USB-C port as a charger port and USB-A if you want to add one more devices to it. On the bottom side you have two level adjustable fits, and this section covers 8000 mAh battery, which will be enough to work like around 60 hours with RGB on. Inside the box you will have a keyboard itself, right? You will have a white USB-A, USB-C cable. You will have a keycap and switch puller. You will have 4 separate switches, linear switches, just in case if something will happen with your default switches, so you will be able always to swap them, because this keyboard is hot-swappable, of course. And you have a pretty detailed user manual, just in case if you want to know how to switch different multimedia keys or how to do RGB control. Okay, let's check what we have as a keycaps. Let me eject several of them. So check this out closer, right? This is double shot PBT keycaps, standard keycaps, not shine through, but pretty well made, nothing special. Under them we have linear pre-looped switches with 5 pins, right? And these switches is from RK brand, so their own brand. They're pretty calm, pleasant on sound, a little bit like a creamy sound, but we will do a sound test of this keyboard a little bit later. Under switches I can see that we have a flex polycarbonate switch plate, and we have a south facing RGB, which means that you can use any keycaps with a side printed legends as well. And I can see a switch layer or switch pad, right? And again, it means that sound of this keyboard should be just great. Also, I need to mention that we have a gasket mounted structure, so we should expect some flexibility in it. And yes, you can clearly see that we have a pretty good flex in this board. Also, of course, you will have a Pro driver, and you can change macro settings, RGB settings, shortcuts for this M1 and M5 keys. Everything will be available within this software, which works for Mac and Win operation systems. Okay, now we know almost everything about this keyboard. Let's go and let's do a sound test and RGB test. Okay, as a summary, what I can say about this keyboard. So first of all, this is a proper mechanical keyboard, properly structured mechanical keyboard with a perfect sound, with a proper keycaps, with gasket mounted structure, with all needed layers inside the board, everything. But with one very important for somebody of you nuance, that we have a left side accent with this function row and mechanical knob, right? So if you're looking for something like that, you need this for left hand, or you just used to work with a mouse and you don't want to remove your hand, to work with a knob, and you want to do it from the left side, which is, by the way, a great idea because you can keep your right hand on the mouse itself. Check this out. As always, from roll clutch, it's quality on a level, budget on a level, everything very balanced. So if you're looking for the new 75+% mechanical keyboard with interesting nuance on the left side, definitely check this out.